Hey tubers, welcome back. I'll be showing you all how to install this frontal wig. As you can see, I like to cut a hole by the ear, so when I put the got to be glue spray or the gel, it can hold better and it can protect the edges. So I forgot to record my client under the dryer, but I let her sit under the dryer for at least 35 minutes. And I like to get some concealer to match her skin complexion, and I blend it in. So right here I'm just cutting the extra stocking cap off that is not glued down to her skin. I did not color this, she did, but I will leave her information below. So right here you just want to make sure that the wig can fit, because sometimes wigs be too small or sometimes they be too big. So right now I'm just sewing the back of the wig because gluing the 360 wig does not last long. So I'm using some new glue, and I really love this glue. I think it's called super glue. I get it from the local beauty store, but I like to do 3 layers when I'm installing a frontal. So I do a half of the side of the head and I blend it in, and then I go to the other side and I do the other half. But I only do 3 layers, and trust to believe this is very, very messy, but the glue is like my top, like my #1 glue. So I truly recommend you getting this glue. Just letting you know that it's very messy. After letting the glue sit for a minute or 2, I'll pull the lace into the glue, but try not to press on it because the glue is still drying, but now it's drying into the lace. But throughout this video, I'm going to stop talking. Everything else is look and learn. But if you have any questions, please let me know, you guys. Hope you continue watching. Leave any comments. Thank you all so much for watching. As you can see, she loves her hair. Please make sure you all subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave below. Thank you. Bye.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did it.